Tired of juggling multiple platforms to stay updated? Let's tame the content chaos and create your very own RSS feed using the power of Zapier in just a minute and a half. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the large Create Zap button, which you will find on the left-hand side of the screen. This will be the starting point for our automated workflow. Now, select RSS by Zapier as your trigger app. This tells Zapier we want to create an RSS feed, not just read one. Think of this as the engine that will power our feed. Next, choose New Item in Feed as your trigger event. This option ensures that Zapier checks your chosen sources and adds new content to your feed as it becomes available. Now, for the action, search for RSS by Zapier once again, but this time, we are using it as the action app. This is the tool that will actually build and manage our RSS feed. Choose Create Feed Item as the action event. This will open up a form where you'll define how each item in your RSS feed will look. You will be able to select the title, content, and a link to the original source material. Map the data from your chosen sources into the corresponding fields in the Create Feed Item form. So, for example, map the title of a blog post to the title field, and the post's content to the content field. The most important part is the source URL, which is where users will be redirected to. Finally, Zapier will generate unique RSS feed URL for you. Copy this URL and paste it into your favorite RSS reader, or share it with anyone who wants to subscribe to your curated content feed. Congratulations, you've just created an RSS feed with Zapier.